Breathe in the sweet, salty air of Mother Ella's in Greta Kiti. I've always wanted to come here and learn how to live. Every time I've come here, I've learned how to live, how to make a good life slightly better. I can show you, I can make you hear, but I can't make you breathe this in and breathe it out. I've always wanted to wear my whites and walk on these shores. Keep it light and keep it steady and keep it flowing and keep it glowing and keep it going. This could only be a postcard. Here people walk.
Και εκεί μετά το παλάς είχαν στολίσει τα ιστιοπλοϊκά.
It's just good to be walking around and hearing ancient sounds. When you're young and you learn how to live, that means you become old knowing how to live. If you're lucky enough and fortunate and privileged to live long enough to be called an old. Very nice. Καλημέρα.
Γεια σου, παιδιά μου.
Καφέ κερνάμε.
Καθίστε εκεί.
Ωραία. You love drinking coffee? That's what we do. Καλημέρα ρε φίλε, τι κάνεις? Μια χαρούλα. Ένα ζεστό καφέ αυτή τη φορά όμως.
Ζεστό καφέ.
If you're kind enough and of service to other and caring, then you have many coffees waiting for you. He wants a coffee too, I think. Check him out. He wants a coffee. Voila. Let's see. You want a coffee? Come. Ella, Ella, Ella. Ella, see. Here we are in Khanya, right directly in front of the famous White House. Faro. Khanyas. This is what I call the beach. Having a coffee or a fresh fish, and the waves hit these rocks here on this wall and splash the water all over, and it makes you feel alive, 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 alive. You know this basic, regular, everyday lifestyle. Dress your whites and be polite and sit on the beach and be invited for a coffee. Okay, you beautiful. See you when I see you. Sending all the love.